Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install One UI 8 dark icons on your any Xiaomi device, and this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to themes, search airfall and look at these One UI 8 dark icons on this theme. Simply tap on customize, apply only icons, now look at these One UI 8 dark icons on your Xiaomi device. Go to setting, increase icon size, simply go back and guys, look at these One UI 8 dark icons on your Xiaomi device. Complete One UI 8 dark icons on this app. Guys, look at these. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.